Hi, my name is Eduardo Rodriguez, and I'm pleased to invite you to attend an advanced symposium titled State-of-the-Art Facial Reconstruction and Transplantation from May 15th through the 17th of 2020. This advanced course and social program will take place at the Intercontinental Barclay Hotel in Midtown Manhattan. I've invited 28 of the most internationally acclaimed faculty to discuss their proven experience with conventional, advanced, and the most innovative techniques of facial reconstruction for some of the most challenging problems. Our distinguished faculty include Keith Blackwell, Yu Ray Chen, Eric Jenden, Larry Gottlieb, Michael Grant, Richard Hopper, Laurent Lantieri, Paul Manson, Fred Mennick, Bo Pomahawk, Julian Prebays, Rod Rorick, Robert Walton, Tony Wolfe, and Barry Zai, just to mention a few. The format will include short lecture sessions with lively panel discussions and interactive audience participation. We also welcome challenging cases for discussion amongst our panel of experts. We look forward to seeing you in New York City in May of 2020.